News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I'm Anuja Kumar giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission, Directorate General of Training, Directorate of Extension, Mercantile Marine Department, Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, Sahitya Academy, National Career Service Centers for Differently Abled, National Institute of Wind Energy, and Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission invites application from suitable candidates for filling up the anticipated vacancies in the Consumer Grievance Redressal Forums and Office of the Electricity Ombudsman respectively as per the terms of appointment of Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission. One post of Electricity Ombudsman in Office of the Electricity Ombudsman, one post of Advisor Engineering in Office of the Electricity Ombudsman, one post of Chairperson in Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum, New Delhi Municipal Council, one post of Chairperson in Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum BSES Yamuna Power Limited, and one post of Chairperson in Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum Tata Power Delhi Distribution Limited. The prescribed format for application for the above position is available on the Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission website, that is www.derc.gov.in. Applications not forwarded as per format are likely to be rejected. The last date for receipt of applications will be 1 month from the date of publication of the advertisement in the newspaper. In view of the prevailing pandemic condition, the Directorate General of Training, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India extends the last date for receipt of applications through proper channel. For the post of Deputy Director, Senior Time Scale, on deputation basis for 45 days from the date of publication of this notice in Employment News. The said vacancy was earlier published in the Employment News dated 10th to 16th of April 2021, for which the last date of receipt of applications was 16th of June 2021. Applicants who have already applied in reference to advertisement published in Employment News dated 12th of December 2020 for the said post but were unable to submit relevant documents may also be considered, provided they make their documents available during this extended period. For eligibility criteria, that is, educational qualifications, experience, CV pro forma, etc., the applicants are advised to refer to the official website of this Directorate General, that is www.dgt.gov.in. The last date for receipt of applications for the post of Joint Director Extension, Directorate of Extension, the advertisement of which was published in Employment News dated 15th to 21st August 2020, stands extended. Applications for this post, complete in all respects, can now be sent so as to reach the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this corrigendum in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. Full details of this vacancy are available on this department's website www.agricoop.nic.in. Applications are invited from interested and eligible officials working in the central government departments for 5 posts of Upper Division Clerk and 2 posts of Steno Grade 2 in Mercantile Marine Department, Chennai District, by transfer on deputation basis. The deputation will be initially for 3 years or post is filled on regular basis, whichever is earlier. The willing officials who fulfill the eligibility criteria may apply to the concerned authority within 1 month from the date of advertisement in the Employment News, along with up-to-date ACR or APAR dossiers for the last 5 years, Vigilance Clearance Certificate and Integrity Certificate. The proforma for application can be downloaded from Mercantile Marine Department, Chennai website www.mmdchennai.in or DG Shipping Mumbai website www.dgshipping.gov.in. Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, New Delhi invites applications from Indian nationals for 1 post of Director General and Chief Executive Officer in the Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. The appointment is for 5 years or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. The applicant should be aged between 45 years and 65 years as on last date of submission of application and should be a person of ability, integrity and standing with special knowledge and experience of at least 15 years in the field relevant to the institute. For application format, requisite qualifications and other details, log on to the Ministry's website www.mca.gov.in and www.iica.in. Applications form duly completed must be submitted to the concerned authority latest by 20th of August 2021 by 5:30 p.m. Sahitya Akademi, an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, and is fully funded by it, invites applications for one post of stenographer grade 2. The incumbent selected is liable to be transferred to any of the offices of the Sahitya Akademi located in India. Applications received through email or without required enclosures will not be accepted. Those working in central or state government or autonomous organizations or renowned educational institutions may apply through proper channel. The candidates registered under National Career Services Portal and fulfilling the eligibility conditions may visit Academy's website and follow the application procedure. The shortlisted candidates fulfilling the essential qualifications will be required to appear for a written test to judge their knowledge of English, Hindi and general knowledge on a convenient date and time as decided by the Academy. The successful candidates of written test will be called for a skill test in stenography and typing. The application in the prescribed format as given on Academy's website www.sahityaacademy.gov.in along with self-attested copies of certificates of qualifications and experience etc. should reach the concerned authority within 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. For details, log on to the website www.sahitya-academy.gov.in. Applications are invited for the post of psychologist by National Career Service Centers for Differently Abled, Directorate General of Employment, Ministry of Labour and Employment within 60 days of date of advertisement in the prescribed format. Applications received after the due date will not be considered. Candidates are required to send their applications directly to the respective employers. National Institute of Wind Energy is the technical arm of the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Government of India, established to serve as a technical focal point for orderly development of wind power deployment. This institute proposes to recruit one junior research fellow on contract basis for specific time-bound projects. Details of essential qualification, experience, age limit, other terms and conditions are available in the website www.niws.res.in/careers. The last date for online application is 13th August 2021. Applications are invited from eligible personnel working in the central government or central autonomous bodies for the following posts on deputation basis in Petroleum Conservation Research Association, New Delhi. One post of Manager Estate and one post of Manager Administration. Last date for receipt of applications in PCRA through proper channel is 30 days from the date of issue of advertisement in Employment News. For more details, please log in to website www.pcra.org. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email your opinion about this program at airnsttalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.